Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, madam.
How are you today?
I'm fine, madam.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I work experience in Kuwait, madam, as housemaid, madam. And then I will take care their six children and a local family. And then I will take care uh, the 1-year-old babies. And then I will cook also, and then ironing, and then clean the all around the house.
Okay, and did you finish your contract in Kuwait?
Yes, madam. I will finish my contract on Kuwait, madam.
Okay, for how many years?
I finished there, madam, is 2 years contract.
And after Kuwait, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, madam. I working also one housemaid on Hong Kong. They have there's Chinese
How many
Chinese
members?
family. They have 4 members, madam. They have two children. They have 2 years old and 6 years old, madam.
What's their nationality?
They have the nationality, madam, is a Chinese nationality, madam.
Okay, and after Hong Kong, do you have any experience working as a housemaid?
And then after the Hong Kong, madam, and then I will go there uh, and then after the Hong Kong, madam, I will apply again here in Dubai. I have their local family,
Okay.
and only one only one couple I will take I
Care.
will take a clean to hers only one room, and they have no baby there. And then uh, yeah, only like that.
How long did you work in a local family?
I work there, madam, is only 1 year, madam, because she want to transfer on Germany. That's why she have no money to pay me. And then I will told her I want to find another sponsor. And then she want me to release and then cancel my visa.
Okay. How much salary are you looking for?
I want to salary to looking for madam 1.8 or 2,000 above, like that.
And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
I want cleaning, madam.
And what type of food can you cook?
I will cook, madam, a Filipino food or Arabic food sometime, or anything food, madam. I willing to learn how to cook there.
Okay. And how do you know if the baby is sick?
I know, madam, is baby sick if he have feel hot or feel not good, like that, madam, maybe.
Okay. What is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When a baby is crying, what will you do?
I will carrying madam, and then I will maybe I song like that so that she not crying.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what are your hobbies? Like during
My
your
hobbies,
free time?
madam. Ah,
During your free time, what things you like to do?
I want to go in the church, madam. That my free time or my holiday, like that. I want to go in the church and meet to my friends, like that, madam.
Okay. How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years you want to work?
There in Dubai, madam.
Yes.
Any year, madam, maybe 1 year, like that, 2 years, 3 years, any year, madam. I want to stay there in Dubai.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
Yes, madam. I'm very hardworking, and then I love baby, madam.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.